Hey guys, so we have here our Sony SRS XB100 Bluetooth speaker, and in this video we want to explain to you how to pair one of these speakers to your iPhone. In case you do want to pair it to an Android phone, then I suggest checking out my other video here in the upper right corner. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is of course turn on the speaker, and if the speaker is still new, then it will automatically switch over here into the pairing mode. The Bluetooth pairing mode. In case that is not happening for you, then you just press here the Bluetooth button once, and at this point you should be hearing an announcement that Bluetooth pairing mode is enabled, and also the LED here is blinking quickly in blue. Okay, so now let's switch over here to our iPhone, and here the first thing we do is we're going to enter the settings menu. And then we're going to find here as one of the options, there's Bluetooth. So let's enter this. And here we make sure that Bluetooth is enabled. And now since the speaker is already in pairing mode, we're going to find this here eventually on the bottom of the list. Here we see SRS XB100. We click on that, and within seconds, the speaker is going to be connected to our phone. So at this point, we are ready to use it to listen to audio playback like your music, and also we are going to be able to make phone calls. And in case you're wondering if you have to go through this pairing process every time you want to use the speaker, then the answer to that question is no. So the next time you're going to turn on the speaker, it's going to automatically reconnect to our phone. Okay, so this was already it for this video. Hope you found the information helpful. And if you have any more questions or comments, then please leave a message below.